Today guys vlog, we're trying to make a flat white and a simple latte art, which is Swan. Let's do it. Okay. The very important to make a nice latte art, which is to steam milk. Make sure that your milk is rotating to create a silky milk. So I hope I can do a nice silky milk. Don't forget to clean your steam one and purge. So let's now brew our espresso. Okay, knock, swirl, knock, swirl. So this is now our espresso. Let's transfer to another. Wow, we have our look how beautiful this. Okay, let's go now. Simple Swan. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this TV picture, guys. Amazing. Shout out.